Welcome back. Did you know there's a way to reclaim your youth in almost no time at all? In fact, in 1 hour. We're talking about a non-surgical facelift that defies gravity without going under the knife. Joining us now with a little more on this cutting-edge technology, esthetician Judalea Van Gordon from I Vjazzy Wellness. Hey, welcome.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm great. Good to have you. You and I were
Thank you.
just talking during the commercial about how amazing it is that we live in an era where we have technology like this.
Yes, because we didn't have this back then. Now, what this is, it's an FDA-approved, high-intensity focused ultrasound. And what it's going to do is it's going to target down to the muscle to help stimulate your collagen production, which is going to give you that gradual facelift that you want without going under the knife.
I'm excited to talk to you about this actually because you actually perform this procedure.
I do.
And have on many people, so you
Many
know
people.
it.
I know it.
Yeah, you know it through and through. You mentioned collagen.
Yes.
And then this targets down to the muscle?
Down to the muscle. We actually have 3 different transducers that we do, which ones goes down to the muscle, mid-level, and then fine lines and wrinkles. So it's targeting all the way down to the muscle, which helps stimulate that collagen, and then also has the heat in it, which helps do the tightening.
Well, and the interesting thing is that people see results on the day they do the procedure, but then for weeks and months?
Yes, well what happens is the very first day you're going to feel immediate tightness. Within a few weeks you'll start seeing your gradual lift, and then 3-4 months, up to 6 months, you'll see final results.
Wow. How many treatments are needed?
1 treatment.
Really?
Yes.
You will get full results with 1 treatment. That's
Just
amazing.
1 treatment.
Yeah.
I know.
We have some pictures to look at.
Yes.
And I find these fascinating because
Yes.
you can really get an idea of the transformation that was made with the person.
Look at that, isn't that amazing? That was her before and after, and she had really bad crow's feet, and now you can see it started stimulating the collagen to where, look at that one.
Oh
Amazing.
my gosh. You know, that is a very common area, and I've gotten it before for Botox, but if you're able to achieve that.
Without having to put needles in your face.
Oh, thank you.
And then these, you know, the turkey necks, we have big problems with that too as we age, and this helps with that. You can see those results on hers. God, it's just amazing to look at.
It really is. And I asked you, if you can use it on the neck because
You can.
It's so interesting and kind of unfair at how age shows on
It's
the
a
neck.
sick joke.
It's
a sick
isn't
joke.
it unfair?
It is.
Gosh.
But what it does is we can do the face, we can do the neck, the décolletage, give you a brow lift, and it's for men and women, not just women. We can have men, you know, come in and do it too.
I'm thrilled to hear you have some men taking advantage of this.
We do.
Well, you know, and I had a friend who worked for a plastic surgeon, and the neck surgery, kind of the turkey neck surgery, was very popular for men.
Yes.
So that can be an area where that men get frustrated
Yes,
as well.
right here. Well, because
Yeah.
when you look at yourself, that's like the first thing you see is your neck. I mean, at least on me, when I'm looking in the mirror, I'm seeing, you know, so it's a price that we want to get done.
Yeah, so there are a lot of procedures out there. We started off by saying this is a non-surgical facelift. So first of all, take that old-fashioned, you have to go to a surgeon and have a full face surgery out of the equation. I mentioned Botox, you know, is a very common thing to get rid of those
the crow's feet. Yes.
But how else do you think that this procedure has, you know, great advantages over other procedures that are available out there?
Well, okay, so it's non-invasive. It is FDA approved. You're not going to have any cutting. There is no downtime. The cost is effective. So, I mean, there's numerous things where, you know, it's different from going and being under the knife where you're going to have downtime. You're going to have, you know, stitches and, well, the knife for one.
Yeah.
So with this, you have none of that. You just go in, you can go in on your lunch break and do it.
The other thing is, you know, I think the risk you take with a surgical facelift is that your face is going to appear, you know, very altered.
Well, it looks like you're pulled back.
It can. So with this, you know, somehow being less invasive, it seems like you're still.
Well, it's more of a natural
maintaining.
lift rather than when you go get under the surgeon, you can, you know, tell that you've had something done. With this, it's a natural lift, so over time, you know, you just look better and better.
Yeah, I'm glad to hear it's FDA approved too. You mentioned
Yes,
that
it's
right off
FDA
the bat.
approved.
That's huge because we want you guys all to be safe.
Safe.
You have a special offer for folks who may be ready actually to come in and work with you.
Come in and see me, ask for me, yes. It's 40% off first 10 callers right now.
40% off the entire procedure.
The entire procedure.
My goodness.
I know.
That's excellent. And like you said, it's 1 hour.
1 hour.
1 hour of your time. How much lead time do people, when people come to see you and they say, I want to do this, I guess you don't, with surgery, you know, you really have to plan on when you're going to do it. With this,
so with this though, what we do
easier.
is we'll have you come in, we'll give you a free consultation so we can discuss the part that you want done.
Yep.
And if you're wanting it done that day, what we do is we take you back and we numb you up first to make you feel comfortable.
Yep.
And that's usually about 20 to 30 minutes time where you just lay there. But if you're wanting to do it a different day, we can send you home with the numbing cream so you can put it on before you get there so you're not having to sit there and wait.
Sounds pretty easy. Thank you so
Very
much.
easy. Very easy.
Great talking to you about it. Again, first 10 colors right now receive 40% off the non-surgical facelift at Vjazzy Wellness. They're located on Valley View, just north of Charleston. Their contact information is right there on your screen. Vjazzy Wellness, a proud sponsor of the Morning Blend.